हेलो बच्चों। तो नीट का एग्ज़ाम आ रहा है, तो उसको देखते हुए हम डेली प्रैक्टिस पेपर सोल्व करने वाले हैं, या फिर डीपीपी आप बोल सकते हो। तो फर्स्ट हमारे पास चैप्टर आ जाता है बायोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन, जिसकी आज हम डीपीपी करने वाले हैं। शुरू करते हैं इसको। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हु वाज द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू क्लासिफाई ऑर्गेनिज्म साइंटिफिकली? ऑप्शन नंबर 1 लिनियस, सेकंड इज अरिस्टोटल, थर्ड इज विटेकर एंड फोर्थ इज कोपलैंड। अपने आंसर को मार्क कर लीजिएगा। इसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, इसकी आंसर की देखेंगे। ठीक है। देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। डैश यूज्ड डैश characters to classify plants into trees, shrub and herbs. Option 1 Aristotle और anatomical, option 2 Whitaker and morphological, option 3 है Aristotle and morphological, option 4 is Whitaker and anatomical. Next question, who gave two kingdom classification system? Option 1 Copeland, option 2 Whitaker, option 3 Haeckel and option 4 Linnaeus. Then a fourth question, that is Carlos Linnaeus classified living organisms into two groups, namely option 1 Monera and Protista, option 2 Protista and Plantae, option 3 Animalia and Plantae, option 4 all of these. Question number 5 is, kingdom of classification proposed by Linnaeus is based on option 1 is phylogenetic system, option 2 is morphology of flowers, option 3 is cell wall and option 4 is shell shape. Then question number 6 is, earlier classification included bacteria, fungi, mosses, gymnosperms and angiosperms under plants on the basis of option 1 is nutrition, option 2 is cell type, option 3 presence of cell wall and option 4 is body organization. Question number 7 is, the five kingdom classification was proposed by option 1 is R.H. Whitaker, option 2 is Carlos Linnaeus, option 3 is Ernest Haeckel and option 4 is Virchow. Question number 8 is, Whitaker's kingdom are option 1 is Plantae and Animalia, option 2 is Monera and Protista, option 3 is fungi and option 4 is all of these. Then the question number 9 is, which of the following criteria was not used by R.H. Whitaker in five kingdom classification? Then the option is option number 1 cell structure, option 2 body organization, option 3 phylogenetic relationship, option 4 is physiological character. Then the next question is, which kingdom was introduced by Whitaker? Option 1 is Plantae, option 2 is Animalia, option 3 is fungi and option 4 is Protista. Then the next question is, all prokaryotic groups are put under dash kingdom. Option 1 is Monera, option 2 is Plantae, option 3 is fungi and option 4 is Protista. Question number 12 is, the kingdom classification does not distinguish between option 1 is eukaryote and prokaryote, option 2 is unicellular and multicellular organisms, option 3 is photosynthetic green algae and non-photosynthetic fungi organisms and option 4 is all of the above. I hope सबने अपने अपने आंसर्स मार्क कर लिए होंगे. Then the answer key is, फर्स्ट का सेकंड, सेकंड का थर्ड, थर्ड का फोर्थ, फोर्थ का थर्ड, फिफ्थ का थर्ड, सिक्स्थ का थर्ड, सेवन्थ का फर्स्ट, एट्थ का फोर्थ, नाइन्थ का फोर्थ, 10 का थर्ड, 11 का फर्स्ट एंड 12 का फोर्थ. जिसको किसी भी क्वेश्चन में इशू हो तो कल हम बोर्ड पे ये सब करने वाले हैं, सॉल्व विद एक्सप्लेनेशन, तो वहाँ पे आप क्लियर कर सकते हो. Then the next question is, choose odd one out with respect to kingdom Monera. Option 1 is only prokaryotes, option 2 is was a separate kingdom in Linnaeus classification, option 3 is most primitive, option 4 is archaebacteria was excluded by Carl Woese. Second question is, kingdom with maximum nutrition diversity is option 1 is Plantae, 2 is Animalia, 3 is fungi and 4 is Monera. Next question is, in how many kingdoms show presence of chemoautotrophic nutrition out of 5 kingdom proposed by Whitaker? Option 1 is 3, option 2 is 4, option 3 is 2 and option 4 is 1. Then the next question is, kingdom with prokaryotic organisms is option 1 is Monera, 2 is Protista, 3 is fungi and 4th is Animalia. Next question is, through the bacterial structure is very dash but they are very dash in behavior. First option is simple complex, then complex and simple, third option is simple simple and fourth option is complex and complex. Then the next question is majority of bacteria are. First option is photosynthetic autotroph. Second option is chemosynthetic autotroph. Third option is heterotroph. And fourth option is saprotroph. Seventh question is statement 1 is majority of bacteria are able to manufacture their food from inorganic raw material. And B statement is the vast majority of bacteria are autotrophic. Mark the correct. Option number 1 is A and B. Option 2 A only. Option 3 B only. And option 4 is both wrong. The next question is the kingdom present in both 2 kingdom and 5 kingdom system of classification is. Option 1 Protista, 2 is Monera, 3 is fungi and 4th is Plantae. Then the next question is X and Y organisms belong to different kingdoms A and B respectively. Identify A and B on the basis of following features. Then the table is this, and the first option is A is equal to Protista and B is Plantae. Second option is A is Monera and B is Animalia. Third option is A is Protista, B is Fungi. And fourth option is A is Protista and B is Animalia. Question number 10 is in Whitaker's five kingdom system of classification, eukaryotes are distributed among. Option is 2 kingdom, 3 kingdom, 4 kingdom, all the 5 kingdoms. I hope सबने आंसर्स मार्क कर लिए होंगे. Then the correct answer is फर्स्ट का सेकंड, सेकंड का फोर, थर्ड का फोर, फोर्थ का फर्स्ट, फिफ्थ का फर्स्ट, सिक्स्थ का थर्ड, सेवन्थ का फोर्थ, एट्थ का फोर्थ, नाइन्थ का थर्ड एंड टेंथ का third. The next question is mark the correct statement. First statement is bacteria are sole members of Monera. Second statement is bacteria are simple in structure and complex in metabolic diversity. Next is some of the bacteria are autotrophic and synthesize their own food from inorganic substrates. The next option is the vast majority of bacteria are autotrophic. Mark the correct. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है ए बी एंड सी, सेकंड है बी सी एंड डी, थर्ड है ए बी एंड डी एंड फोर्थ ऑप्शन इज ऑल फोर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज बेस्ड ऑन देयर शेप बैक्टीरिया आर ग्रुप्ड अंडर. ऑप्शन वन इज टू कैटेगरीज, सेकंड इज थ्री कैटेगरीज, थ्री इज फोर कैटेगरीज एंड फोर्थ इज फाइव कैटेगरीज. The next question is bacteria whose cell has only a curve, comma is. Option is first Vibrio, second Cocoi, third Spirella, and fourth is Bacilli. Then the next question is dash play great role in recycling of nutrients. First option is Archaebacteria, then chemosynthetic autotrophic, then have photosynthetic autotrophic, and the last option is Mycoplasma's bacteria. The next question is which of the following disease caused by bacteria? First is cholera, second is typhoid, third is tetanus, and fourth is all of these. The next question is the most abundant prokaryotes helpful to humans in making curd from milk and in the production of antibiotics are once categorized as. The first option is chemosynthetic autotroph, next is heterotrophic bacteria, third is cyanobacteria, and fourth is archaebacteria. Then the next question is citrus canker disease is caused by. Option 1 is bacteria, second is virus, third is fungi, and fourth is mycoplasma. The next question is choose the correct statements. First is bacteria reproduce mainly by fission, and the other statement is under unfavorable conditions bacteria produce spores. And the option is first option both 1 and 2 are correct, second option both are incorrect, third option only 1 are correct, and fourth option is only 2 is correct. The next question is some primitive method of DNA transfer occur as sexual reproduction method in. First option is bacteria, second is fungi, third is protista, and fourth is Plantae. Then the next question is sexual reproduction of bacteria have feature. First option diploid zygote, then has some DNA transfer occur. Next option is gametes form, and the next and last option is mitosis occur. Then the next question is most common method of reproduction in prokaryotes. First option spore formation, then transduction, and then conjugation. Question number 12, that is mark the correct statements. First statement is most expensive metabolic diversity is found in bacteria. Second option is chemosynthetic bacteria oxidize various inorganic substance into simpler one, and the third statement is true sexual reproduction present in Monera. Option is both A and B are correct. Second option is both B and C correct. Third option is only B correct, and fourth option is only A correct. And the answer key is फर्स्ट का फर्स्ट, सेकंड का थर्ड, थर्ड का फर्स्ट, फोर्थ का सेकंड, फिफ्थ का फोर्थ, सिक्स्थ का सेकंड, सेवन्थ का फर्स्ट, एट्थ का फर्स्ट, नाइन्थ का फर्स्ट, 10 का सेकंड, 11 का सेकंड और 12 का फर्स्ट. The next question is bacteria which live in most harsh habitat is cold. First option is eubacteria, second is archaebacteria, third is cyanobacteria, and fourth is all are correct. The next question is archaebacteria are capable of surviving harsh conditions due to their first option is plasmid, second option is cell wall, third option is mesosome, and fourth option is flagella. Then the next question is the primitive prokaryotes responsible for production of biogas from dung of ruminant animals include option 1 is halophiles, second is eubacteria, third is methanogens, and fourth is thermoacidophiles. Next question is match the following. The column 1 is halophiles, thermoacidophiles, and methanogens, and column 2 is hot spring, marshy areas, and salty areas. Then the option is option number 1 is B, A, and C. Second is C, A, and B. Third is B, C, and A. Fourth is A, B, and C. Then the next question is following statements are given regarding cyanobacteria. Choose the incorrect one. First option is it is also called blue green alga. Second option is they are chemosynthetic autotroph. Third option is it forms blooms in polluted water bodies. And fourth option is it is unicellular, colonial, or filamentous. Then the next question is which of the following is feature of cyanobacteria? First option is presence of chlorophyll A. Second option is flagella. Third option is presence only in fresh water. And fourth option is only unicellular form surrounded by gelatinous sheath. Next question is chlorophyll A pigment is present in option 1 is no stalk, second is anabina, third is both 1 and 2, and fourth is mycoplasma. The next question is select incorrect statement with respect to heterocyst. Option 1 is thick walled, option 2 is helps in CO2 fixation, third is has anaerobic condition, and fourth is present in no stock. The next question is the organisms that completely lack cell wall are option is mycoplasma, blue green algae, cyanobacteria, yeah, none of these. Question number 10. Which statement is incorrect regarding mycoplasma? Option 1 is they are smallest living cells. Second is they can survive without oxygen. Third is they possess rigid cell wall. And fourth is they are pathogenic in animals and plants. 11th question. Match the column 1 with column 2 and choose the correct option. Column 1 is mycoplasma, decomposers, methanogens, heterocyst, and cyanobacteria. Then match the column, and the option is option number 1 A, B, C, D, and E. Option 2 C, E, B, D, A. Option 3 is C, A, E, B, D. And fourth is E, D, C, A, B. And the answer key is फर्स्ट का सेकंड, सेकंड का सेकंड, थर्ड का थर्ड, फोर्थ का सेकंड, फिफ्थ का सेकंड, सिक्स्थ का फर्स्ट, सेवन्थ का थर्ड, एट्थ का सेकंड, नाइन्थ का फर्स्ट, 10th का थर्ड, 11th का फोर्थ, 12th का फोर्थ, 13 का फोर्थ, 14 का फोर, 15 का टू, 16 का थर्ड एंड 17 का टू एंड 18 का फर्स्ट. Then the next question is members of chrysophytes are dash and float dash in water currents. Option 1 is macroscopic actively, second is macroscopic passively, third is microscopic actively, and fourth is microscopic passively. The next question is chrysophytes are found in option 1 is fresh water, option 2 is marine water, option 3 is both 1 and 2, and option 4 is terrestrial environment. The next question is silica is embedded in the cell walls of option 1 is desmate, option 2 is golden alga, option 3 is diatom, option 4 is both 1 and 2. The next question is chief producers in the oceans are option 1 is dinoflagellates, option 2 is euglenoids, option 3 is desmates, option 4 is diatoms. The next question is diatomaceous earth is having cell wall deposits of dash. Option 1 is desmate, option 2 is diatom, option 3 is dinoflagellates, and option 4 is euglenoids. The next question is pick the wrong statement. First option is diatoms are the chief producers in ocean. Second option is diatoms are microscopic and float passively in water. Option 3 is walls of diatoms are destructible easily. Option 4 is diatomaceous earth is formed by the cell wall of diatoms. Then the question number 7 is dinoflagellates are mostly option 1 is marine and non photosynthetic, option 2 is freshwater and photosynthetic, option 3 is marine and photosynthetic, and option 4 is freshwater and non photosynthetic. The next question is cell wall of X has stiff cellulose plates on the outer surface. Then X is the member of first option is dinoflagellates, second is diatoms, third is golden alga, and fourth is desmids. The ninth question is in dinoflagellates, the two flagella are option 1 is anterior, second is lateral, third is posterior, and fourth is one transverse and the other longitudinal. Question number 10 is a dinoflagellate which forms red tides. Option 1 is nostoc, second is euglena, third is goniolux, and fourth is paramecium. The next question is members of which group release toxins which may kill other marine animals like fishes. Option 1 is protozoa, second is slime molds, third is dinoflagellates, and fourth is diatoms. Next question is majority of euglenoids are dash organisms found in dash water. Option 1 is freshwater and running, option 2 is freshwater and stagnant, third is marine water and running, and fourth is marine water and stagnant. The next question is what is not true of euglena? Option is presence of cellulose cell wall, second option is presence of proteinaceous pellicle, third option is presence of chlorophyll, and fourth option is presence of flagellum. Next question is choose the incorrect statement about euglena. First option is two unequal flagella are found. Next is it dies when deprived of sunlight. Third option is member of kingdom Protista. And fourth option is photosynthetic pigments are similar to those of higher plants. The next question is match the following in which the column 1 are dinoflagellates, euglenoids, and diatoms, and column 2 are pellicle, siliceous cell wall, and red tides. And the option is option number 1 A का 2, B का 1, C का 3. ऑप्शन नंबर 2 A का 3, B का 1, C का 2. ऑप्शन 3 A का 3, B का 2, C का 1, या ऑप्शन 4 that is A का 1, B का 2, C का 3. Then the next question are saprophytic protists are first option is euglenoids, second is chrysophytes, third is dinoflagellates, and fourth is slime molds. The next question is the body of X moves along decaying twigs and leaves engulfing organic material. Then X is option 1 is slime molds, option 2 is diatoms, option 3 is amoeba, and option 4 is euglenoids. Then the next question is under suitable conditions dash form an aggregation called dash which may grow and spread several dash. Option 1 is A slime mold, B plasmodium, C feet. Option 2 is A slime mold, B pellicle, C meters. Option 3 is A protozoa, B plasmodium, C feet. Option 4 is A protozoa, B pellicle, and C centimeters. The spores produced in slime molds are dispersed by option 1 is water, option 2 is air current, option 3 is birds, and option 4 is both 1 and 2. The next question is primitive relatives of animals are first option is euglenoids, second option is slime molds, third option is protozoa, and fourth option is dinoflagellates. The next question is all protozoa are dash. Option 1 is autotroph, option 2 is saprotroph, option 3 is heterotroph, and option 4 is mixotroph. And the answer key is 1 का 4, 2 का 3, 3 का 3, 4 का 4, 5 का 2, 6 का 3, 7 का 3, 8 का 1, 9 का 4, 10 का 3, 11 का 3, 12 का 2, 13 का फर्स्ट, 14 का 2, 15 का 2, 16 का 4, 17 का 1, 18 का 1, 19 का 2, 20 का 3 and 21 का 3. And the next question is the spores produced in slime molds have first option is true walls and less resistant, second option true walls and extremely resistant, third option is no walls and less resistant, and fourth option is no walls and extremely resistant. The next question is match the following in which the column 1 is amoeboid protozoa, flagellated protozoa, ciliated protozoa, and sporozoa. And the column 2 is plasmodium, amoeba, trypanosoma, and paramecium. Then do the match the following. And the next question is false feet is present in option 1 is paramecium, option 2 is plasmodium, option 3 is amoeba, and option 4 is trypanosoma. Then the next question is the following features given below represent which group of protozoa. The statement is marine form have silica shells. Then they move and capture their prey by putting out pseudopodia. They live in fresh water, seawater, or moist soil. And the option is amoeboid protozoa. Second option is flagellated protozoa. Third is ciliated protozoa, and fourth is sporozoa. Then the next question is amoeboid protozoa like dash act as parasite. And the option 1 is amoeba, 2 is trypanosoma, 3 is entamoeba, and 4 is paramecium. Then the next question is flagella is present in option 1 is plasmodium, 2 is euglena, 3 is trypanosoma, and 4 is both 2 and 3. The next question is sleeping sickness is caused by the first option is entamoeba, 2 is plasmodium, 3 is slime molds, and 4th is trypanosoma. The next question is how many statements are correct regarding flagellated protozoans? First is members of flagellated protozoa are fully parasitic, and the second is they have flagella, they can cause sleeping sickness, and next is entamoeba belong to flagellated protozoa. And the first option is 1, second is 2, third is 3, and 4 is 4, जिसके अंदर हमको बताना है कि कितने स्टेटमेंट्स क्या है इसके अंदर करेक्ट है. The next question is gullet is present in first option is flagellated protozoa, second is ciliated protozoa, third is sporozoa, and fourth is amoeboid protozoa. The next question is ciliated protozoa are dash and move dash because of the presence of thousand of cilia. First is terrestrial passively, second option is aquatic passively, third is terrestrial actively, and fourth is aquatic passively. ठीक है. The next question is malarial parasite belongs to which group of protozoa? First is amoeboid protozoa, second is flagellated, third is ciliated, and fourth is sporozoa. The next question is infectious spore like state is present in the life cycle of dash. First option is amoeba, second is slime mold, third is paramecium, and fourth is plasmodium. The next question is choose the correct statement. First statement is paramecium and trypanosoma are ciliated protozoa. Second option is gallate is present in plasmodium and amoeba. Third option is cilia is present in paramecium, and fourth option is none of these. The next question is match the following, in which column 1 is ascomycetes, basidiomycetes, deuteromycetes, and phygomycetes. And the another column is agaricus, choledotrichum, penicillium, and albugo. Then the next question is few examples are given below. How many belongs to phygomycetes? And the examples are albugo, yeast, truffles, agaricus, astilgo, trichoderma, alternaria, claviceps, rhizopus, mucor, and puccinia. And the option is first is 3, second is 4, third is 6, and fourth is 8. The next question is which of the following is incorrectly matched? First is Puccinia, rung fungus, rust fungus. Second is Agaricus, mushroom. Third is Alternaria, smut. And fourth is Saccharomyces, yeast. Then the question number 17 is fungal cell wall is composed of dash. Option 1 is chitin and lignin. Option 2 is chitin and polysaccharides. Option 3 is chitin and cellulose. And option 4 is lignin and suberin. The next question is sac fungi and bracket fungi are. First option is Phygomycetes and Basidiomycetes respectively. Second option is Deuteromycetes and Ascomycetes. Third is Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes. And fourth is Basidiomycetes and Deuteromycetes. And the next question is morels and truffles are groups of fungi classified under. Option 1 is Phygomycetes, second is Deuteromycetes, third is Basidiomycetes, and fourth is Ascomycetes. Next question is Drosophila of the plant kingdom is. First option is Alternaria, second is Aspergillus, third is Neurospora, and fourth is Albugo. Question number 21 is which of the following statement is correct? The first statement is fungal body consists of long, slender, thread-like structure called hypha. Second option is the network of hypha is known as mycelium. Third option is coinocytic hypha are continuous tubes filled with multinucleated cytoplasm, and fourth option is all of these. Then the next question is which pair of spores represent asexual spores in fungi? Then the first option is conidia and oospores. Second option is zoospores and basidiospores. Third option is sporangiospores and conidia. Fourth option is sporangiospores and ascospores. The next question is the asexual and sexual spores formed in bread mold are called respectively. First option is zoospore and aplanospores. Second option is sporangiospore and zygospores. Third option is zygospores and sporangiospores. Fourth option is sporangiospores and zoospores. Then the answer key is first का second, second का fourth, third का third, fourth का first, fifth का third, sixth का fourth, seventh का fourth, eighth का second, ninth का second, 10 का 4, 11 का 4, 12 का 4, 13 का 3, 14 का 4, 15 का 1, 16 का 3, 17 का 2, 18 का 3, 19 का 4, 20 का 3, 21 का 4, 22 का 3, and 23 का 2. Then the next question is which of the following represent correct sequence of events in sexual cycle of fungi? Option 1 is that is plasmogamy, mitosis and karyogamy. Option 2 is plasmogamy, karyogamy and mitosis. Option 3 is plasmogamy, meiosis and karyogamy. Option 4 is plasmogamy, karyogamy and meiosis. Then the next question is in class Phygomycetes the mycelium is. First option is coinocytic and aseptate. Second is coinocytic and septate. Third is unicellular and aseptate. And fourth is multicellular and septate. Then the next question is which of the following fungi does not belong to Phygomycetes? First is Rhizopus, second is Mucor, third is Albugo, and fourth is Agaricus. The next question is in Ascomycetes, sexual and asexual spores are produced. First option is endogenously and endogenously. Second is exo and endo. Third is endo and exo. Fourth is exo and exo. Then the next question is fruiting body of agaricus is known as. First option is ascocarp, second is mesidiocarp, third is conidiophore, then fourth is none of these. The next question is the fungi in which only asexual or vegetative phases are known represent. First is Ascomycetes, second is Deuteromycetes, third is Basidiomycetes, and fourth is Phycomycetes. Then the next question is which of the following criteria is not used for classifying a kingdom fungi into various classes? First is morphology of mycelium, second is mode of nutrition, third is mode of spore formation, and fourth is fruiting bodies. Then the next question is in Basidiomycetes, karyogamy and meiosis takes place in. First is basidium, second is basidiocarp, third is basidiospore, fourth is dikaryon. The next question is Deuteromycetes reproduce only by asexual spores known as. First is conidia, second is endospores, third is zoospores, and fourth is heterocyst. Then the next question is all the following fungi belong to Deuteromycetes except. First is Astilgo, second is Coletotrichum, third is Trichoderma, and fourth is Alternaria. Then next question is Deuteromycetes are known as fungi imperfect because. First option is their zygote undergoes meroblastic and holoblastic cleavage. Second option is only asexual stage are known. Third is they have a septate mycelium, and fourth is they are autotrophic. Then the next question is n plus n state represent dash state and it is seen in Basidiomycetes end. First option is diploid and Phycomycetes, second is dikaryotic and Ascomycetes, third is diploid and Ascomycetes, and fourth is dikaryotic and Deuteromycetes. Then the next question is the scientist who first crystallized TMV was. First is Ivanovsky, second is Pasteur, third is Robertson, and fourth is Stanley. Then the next question is the concept of contagium vivum fluidum, that is infectious living fluid for virus, was given. First option is Mayer, second is Bizarnik, third is Pasteur, and fourth is Ivanovsky. Then the next question is which of the following statement is false about viruses? First is viruses are obligate parasites, second is viruses can multiply only when they are inside the living cells, third is viruses cannot pass bacterial proof filters, fourth is viruses are made up of protein plus में DNA or RNA, never both DNA and RNA. Then the next question is the genetic material for most of the bacteriophage is. First is single stranded RNA, second is double stranded RNA, third is double stranded DNA, fourth is single stranded DNA. The next question is the protein coat of virus is called. First is capsid, second is capsomere, third is core, and fourth is envelope. I hope सबने आंसर्स मार्क कर लिए होंगे. Then the answer key is first का 4, second का first, third का 4, fourth का third, fifth का second, sixth का 2, seventh का 2, eighth का first, ninth का first, 10 का first, 11 का second, 12 का second, 13 का 4, 14 का 2, 15 का third, 16 का 3, and 17 का first. Then the next question is in 1971, Theo Diner discovered a new infectious agent that was smaller than viruses. It causes potato spindle tuber disease. It is free RNA. Molecular weight of RNA is low. The above statements are assigned to. First option is virus, second is viroids, third is virulent, and fourth is mycoplasma. Then the next question is viroids differ from viruses in having. First option is DNA molecules with protein coat. Second option is DNA molecules without protein coat. Third option is RNA molecules with protein coat. And fourth option is RNA molecules without protein coat. The next question is BSE is a progressive neurological disorder of cattle that results from infection by an unusual transmissible agent called A. Option 1 virus, 2 is viroid, 3 is bacteria, and 4 is prions. Next question is CJD appears to be caused by an abnormal infectious protein called. First option is capsid, second is capsomere, third is prions, and fourth is virus. The next question is lichen is an association between. First is fungi and bryophyte, second is fungi and alga, third is alga and pteridophyte, and fourth is alga and bacteria. Next question is lichen are very good pollution indicator because they are sensitive to. First is sulfur trioxide, second is sulfur dioxide, third is carbon dioxide, and fourth is global warming. Next question is which of the following statement is incorrect? First is lichens do not grow in polluted areas. Second is algal component of lichen is phycobiont. Third is fungal component of lichen is mycobiont. And fourth is lichens are not good pollution indicator. And the next question is in modern medicine, certain infections, neurological disease were found to be transmitted by an agent consisted of abnormally folded protein called. First option is viroids, second is prions, third is DNA, and fourth is RNA. The next and last question of this lecture is lichens are well known combination of an alga and a fungus where fungus has option 1 is a saprophytic relationship with the alga, option 2 is epiphytic relationship with the alga, third is parasitic relationship with the alga, and fourth is symbiotic relationship with the alga. एंड आई होप सबके आंसर्स मार्क हो गए होंगे. द आंसर की इज फर्स्ट का सेकंड, सेकंड का फोर्थ, थर्ड का फोर्थ, फोर्थ का थर्ड, फिफ्थ का सेकंड, सिक्स का सेकंड, सेवन्थ का फोर, एट का टू एंड नाइन का फोर. इसके साथ ये लेक्चर कंप्लीट हो गया हमारा. अगर इन केस किसी को ऐसा इशू है कि इस क्वेश्चन का ये आंसर नहीं हो सकता तो कल हम एक और लेक्चर प्रॉपरली बोर्ड पे रिकॉर्ड करके विद एक्सप्लेनेशन हम अपलोड करने वाले हैं. या फिर अगर फिर भी किसी को इशू आता है तो आप इस लेक्चर के कमेंट सेक्शन में आप कमेंट कर सकते हो, बता सकते हो. और ऐसे ही और वीडियोस के लिए प्लीज़ लाइक कमेंट शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. और जो बच्चे नीट के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं प्लीज़ अपनी प्रैक्टिस पे फोकस करें एंड बी प्रिपेयर्ड. थैंक यू.